Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to indent here in Constant Contact. All right. So for example, here I'm just going to create a new section, and then I'm going to drag a text block like so. And here's your text. Okay. All you have to do to indent or make an indentation or indentation, okay, is just click on the block. All right. Make sure that it is highlighted and then go to the top. Okay. Here we have the decrease indent option and increase. Okay. Let me show you. I'm just going to click on one. All right. As you can see here, decrease, increase. All right. If you want to select this section, click on it. Increase, decrease. All right. It will just move per paragraph when you click on a paragraph. Okay. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.